Hello everyone. Virtual reality is a fascinating way to travel, using nothing more than the power of technology. With a headset and motion tracking, VR lets you look around a virtual space as if you are actually there, or play a game as though you are in it. If you are looking for one of the best VR headsets from a reputed brand that lets you enjoy virtual reality without spending a ton of money, then BOBOVR Z6 is your best virtual reality headset. To purchase virtual reality headset or your any need, visit lightinthebox.com, the best global e-commerce website. I will drop a link in description to check, and if you purchase from our link, you get 20% off with KL14 promo code, which applies on any purchase from lightinthebox.com. I received a review copy of the BOBOVR Z6 from lightinthebox.com and received within a couple of weeks. So let's check this out. The Z5 comes in minimalist white packaging. On unboxing, we get soft lens cleaning cloth, user manual, and USB Type-C cable. Along with it, the VR joystick controller. It looks very similar to the nunchuck for the Nintendo Wii. Please remember to buy your own Bluetooth controller. It really makes VR navigation a lot easier. The VR headset wrapped in feather-soft plastic bag. I like the molded plastic insert that was in the box. It helps keep the content safe for transportation. Smartphone VR offers a relatively easy and minimal-risk introduction into virtual reality. The devices are by and largely compatible with most Android smartphones and iPhones, as long as they fit inside the VR headset. The average screen size range indicated by manufacturers is 4.7 to 6.2 inches. The BOBOVR Z6 glasses headset for smartphones supports wireless Bluetooth technology to enjoy playing 3D games, watching 3D videos and movies, with high lens HD, and exceptional sound experience and ergonomic design. This headset is fascinating with its 110-degree super view angle. It weighs only 395 grams. The headset is large but lighter than it looks. It has a 350 mAh long battery life with 3 hours of work. It is so portable that you could carry it in your bag and use it whenever you want. BOBOVR Z6 is made with solid material. It has a Type-C connector along with 2 buttons for volume adjustment and a power button with a small LED near them. It is also a scroll wheel to adjust lens position. It comes with a touch button or connector on the top. That gives you a lot of fun in games without having a remote control even. It allows you to easily control all VR games that support the player. The other bonus feature is the official Google Cardboard QR code. The headset comes with a QR code in the user manual. You can search third-party apps and install VR app from Apple or Google Store in your cell phone. Before placing the phone in the VR glasses, match the split line on phone screen with the middle line between the 2 lenses. Mine device easily fit over with smartphone case, but this will depend on how bulky your case is. Then you can tune the pupil and focal switches to get clear images for games and videos. While the convenient buttons on top and sides allow you to control your media with a single button press. It has an adjustable T-shaped strap and elastic support structure. Also, it has nice rubber cushion which helps decrease the pressure around your nose and forehead or eyes when wearing it. If you don't find it comfortable, you can remove like this and can be refitted easily. You will feel much more comfortable when watching movies or playing 3D games. It is time to get more out of gaming. I received the package in very bad condition. Box is almost broken and wet. I found rubber pad missing here on outside cover. The BOBOVR Z6 can connect to your phone wirelessly via Bluetooth. You can stream sound from your phone directly to the headset's headphones. BOBOVR Z6 is so comfortable. It is made of leather and skin-friendly foam with premium quality. Speaking of compatibility, this device is compatible with most screen sizes. Thanks to its unique manual sliding technique, you can reset it accordingly like this. Compatible with both iOS and Android and supports most virtual reality apps such as YouTube and Netflix, etc. Using VR controller is quite easy and self-explanatory. The controller works good, but still I am not satisfied with the navigation system if you want to change the application, and you get stuck if your device switches to vertical view. I really recommend this VR theater application for cardboard, because there is no ads and the UI is really amazing. I have tried many apps, but not worked for me. It is the only app I found that maintain the correct aspect ratio of the movie and don't put it too close. You even have option to change the movie screen zoom in and out and a lot more setting. The BOBOVR Z6 features an independent wireless motor with a large 50mm sound card. Over-ear design can restore the real scene sound with noise isolation function. You will not be disturbed with better ventilation performance. I quite like the built-in headphones that come with the headset. They are cushioned and quite comfortable to wear. The sound quality is much better than expected. I found the perfect bass, and the sound did get muffled at times. Some people can spend hours in VR without problems. Others cannot handle more than a few minutes. I think if you want a VR headset, so these 3D glasses will be your best choice with high quality and best price. In conclusion, this is a great VR headset that allows for people with short-sightedness to play without glasses, and also have a comfortable experience due to the lightweight construction, cushiony material, and adjustable head strap. And it fits many phones, even most of the largest available today. The only minor issues I had were with the navigation when wearing VR. Even bought the VR controller every time I have to remove the phone to change the video or game. The VR controller does not work perfect. I will drop a link in description, so do check out lightinthebox.com to get special 20% discount on any purchase. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.